Hello everybody, welcome to this lesson on expanding brackets. Please pause the video and copy down the title and the learning objective. Welcome back. Now that you are here, it means that you have copied those down. So let's start. Our aim for this lesson is to learn how to expand brackets. I'm going to write a question down, so then we know what we're supposed to do by the end of this lesson. So we have a question which says 3 bracket x plus 2. We need to learn how to expand these brackets. Let's start small. I'm going to start with some numbers. So if I have 2 plus 2 plus 2, we all know that this is the same as 3 lots of 2, which is the same as 3 times 2, which gives you a 6. Nice and easy when we have numbers, but it's the same principle when it comes to letters. The only thing that we cannot do is add them up at the end. So if I have y plus y plus y, well, this is the same as 3 lots of y. So 3 times y. And because y doesn't have a value, we don't know what that is, we're just going to leave it as 3y. And that's all it is to this principle. We're going to use this technique, the multiplication technique, to expand these brackets. So for the one that I wrote before, I have 3 lots of x plus 2. So if I go back to the question that I wrote initially, I have 3 lots of x plus 2. So I'm going to write my x plus 2's. I have 3 lots of them. So that's 1, that's the other. So that's 1, that's the other, and that's the third. You agree that I have 3 lots of x plus 2's. So what I need to do is just simplify this. So let's just collect like terms. X, 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 they're the same, so 3 x's. And with the 2's, 2, 2, and 2. So that's the same as plus 6. So if you see, I have arrived from 3 brackets x plus 2 to 3x plus 6. I have expanded this bracket. But the way that I did it is really long. So we're going to have to find a way to do it quite concisely, so that we don't have to rewrite the question. And this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to copy the question again. So 3x plus 2. And like we have done before with multiplication, we're going to draw boxes. I am not going to split them in half like we did with gelosia, because we don't have the number for x. X doesn't have units and tens. So we're just going to leave it like this. We have 3 times x plus 2. So x plus 2 and then I have a 3. All I have to do now is multiply the, like we normally do with the numbers. 3 times x is a 3x. 3 times 2, positive 2, is a positive 6. And look, I have expanded this bracket without needing to rewrite the question. Let's try another example. So if I have 4b plus 3, I don't need to rewrite the question. I am going to draw the box. I have 4 on one side, and I have b plus 3. So you ask yourself, b times 4 or 4 times b? 4b. 4 times positive 3 is a positive 12. So the answer is 4b plus 12. I'm going to do one more example with a negative. 5a take away 2. It's the same principle. It won't matter if it's a positive or a negative. You draw the box, 5 on the outside, a minus 2. Then you do the multiplication, 5 times a, 5a, 5 times minus 2, minus 10. Then we write on the side, the answer would be 5a minus 10. Please pause the video, copy down what examples I did, and then it will be your turn. Okay, now that you have copied those down, I'm going to move this away and put down the questions that you were sent home to do. So what I want you to do, the boxes are drawn for you. Just complete the boxes. When you have done so, take a photo and send it to me.